Today I am at IKEA, which I know is crazy if you're new to my channel. My channel is all about the outdoors, camping, hiking, that kind of stuff. But believe it or not, there are some awesome items at IKEA for campers. So I'm gonna head inside and show you some really cool hidden gems. If you're on a budget, you're just getting into camping, you can get some really good gear here at IKEA. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I was just in IKEA recently getting some stuff for my home office, and then because I'm always thinking about camping, I started to just see so many things that would be great for camping. So that is how I came up with this very random video idea. The first thing that I want to show you is this stainless steel bowl. It is such a great size for camping. You can buy them individually, so you can buy just as many as you need, and then they nest together really nicely for packing. These bowls are not too big and they're really nice and deep, so you can actually fit quite a bit of food in there. They're reusable and just really durable for camping. Now this next item is one of my favorite finds, and it is mousse-shaped organic pasta. How cute is this pasta? This is not the kind of thing I was expecting to see at IKEA, but I knew I had to buy it, and pasta is just such an easy thing to cook at camp. So I actually want to show you a quick camping dinner that you can make with this pasta. So you're gonna just start by cooking the pasta like normal, and while it is cooking, you can slice up some chicken sausage and cook that in a pan as well. Once the pasta is done, simply mix in some pesto. So there are basically 3 ingredients to this camping meal. You have the pasta, pesto, and the chicken sausage. It is so delicious, it's really easy, and a great way to use this mousse-shaped pasta. As you can see, I'm using the stainless steel bowl that I mentioned earlier to serve this easy camping dinner. I have a ton of camp cooking recipes and tips videos here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe if you want some more delicious, easy camping meals. Next up are kitchen and dish towels galore. This is where I love to get all of my dish towels for camping because I go through a lot of them, and IKEA has a ton of options. So you can use these towels at camp for all sorts of things. This green one here is soft on one side and then a little bit rougher on the other, so it's great for cleaning dishes when you're at camp. This one is 100% cotton. It's really small and nice just to grab a few of these for cleaning. I love this one because it is a linen and cotton blend, and it feels really nice. They also have this little tab so you can hang it when you're at camp, and it just makes it easy to dry out. And there's also a bigger size with this one. I use kitchen towels for all sorts of things when I'm camping, like drying my dishes after I clean them. I use them as pot holders sometimes, and I usually wrap my cast iron skillet or Dutch oven in towels just so that they're protected and not banging around in the car. Next is this little dustpan. It's really small and compact and great for cleaning out your van or your RV or even your tent. If you're camping for days, there's bound to be a buildup of sand or dirt in the tent. And so this thing is great to just keep in the car, and it's perfect for sweeping all of that dirt out. Next are these wooden cutting boards in so many different sizes and shapes, so you can get exactly what you like for camping. Now, some of them do have mixed reviews, but I have this bamboo cutting board at home. It has great reviews and I really like it. And it also comes in a smaller size, which would be great for camping. So if you love to cook at camp, a cutting board is definitely something you need. Next up are a ton of different bin options, and I say this all the time in my videos, but organization really is key when you're camping, and bins are a great way to stay organized both at camp and at home. I like clear bins because you can see what's inside, but again, there's so many different sizes and shapes you can find exactly what you need. I actually had a good laugh because in one of the showrooms, there was a bin labeled camping supplies and then another bin labeled first aid. So tons of uses to help you stay organized when you're camping, which will just make your trip so much more relaxing and stress-free. Next up are these little clips, which really probably have a ton of uses that I haven't even thought of yet, but they come in 2 packs. And as you can see here, I'm just hanging a wet bathing suit. So these can make it nice and easy to hang towels and bathing suits and things like that when you're at camp. Next up is this silicone wash bucket, and as you can see, it is collapsible. So it's great for washing your dishes at camp. And then when you're done with it, you can just collapse it and it doesn't take up much space. So this is perfect for washing those dishes. And speaking of washing your dishes, we also have some sponges that can go with the dishwashing bucket. I also saw this little scrubber brush, which I think is great for cleaning cast iron because it's not too abrasive. So it won't ruin your seasoning, but it will still help you get all those food bits off your pan. Apparently it's a refill for this bigger brush, but for camping, I would just take the refill. All right, so now we have some silicone storage bags. These are great for storing some cut up fruit or some chopped vegetables or even some leftovers after you're cooking. So they open up like this, and they come in a couple different sizes. There's actually, a lot of room that can fit in there. And then you squeeze them shut like a normal plastic bag would. And then there's this little plastic thing that slides on top to really secure it shut. And so these are, again, great for leftovers. They don't take up much space, so you can just kind of store them and then use them when you need it. Next up are tons of supplies for grilling. So here we have some stainless steel spatulas and some tongs. These are always great for cooking over the grill. And speaking of grilling, there are also two kinds of kebab skewers that I saw. They have a pack of bamboo skewers, and then there's also a stainless steel kebab skewer pack. So if you like to grill, these are some great supplies here. Next, we have really adorable stainless steel insulated flasks that you can keep your drinks warm or cold when you're camping. They are really nice quality for 10 bucks, and they have a little handle loop so you can easily hold them and take them around camp. Just love them, think they're perfect to help you stay hydrated. Speaking of containers, I thought this insulated stainless steel food container was also really nice for travel. Now we can talk about some more storage because these little storage bags are such a great find for campers. They are so inexpensive and great for a ton of different things. Here I'm actually using it to store a blanket and a pillow. These could be used for storing even some of your clothes or a sleeping bag and just kind of keeping things together in the car so that they're not floating around all over the place. You know where everything is and you can easily take it from the car to your campsite. They also have these storage bags in different sizes. So this is a bigger version with a bigger strap for carrying. And this is a smaller version. It says that it's a shoe bag, but I actually thought this would be great for storing your muddy boots. If you're out for a hike for the day, or if it rains or something and you need to get your boots all muddy, you can store them in these little bags so you don't get everything else in your car dirty. So lots of ideas here depending on how creative you get. Again, here's an even bigger size. This one might be great for a sleeping bag. This is a surprising find. It is a waterproof roll top bag. Now, I have not personally tested this, but it might be really good if you do water activities like swimming or boating and you just want to keep your phone dry. This little bag might do the trick. Next, we have these packing cubes, and this is one of my favorite finds in IKEA. They come in a 3-pack, and I've talked about how much I love packing cubes in other videos because, again, they help you stay organized, and this set is really nice. It's inexpensive and it comes with 3 different sizes in 3 different colors. So I typically have shirts and pants in one, and then I'll put socks, underwear, and stuff like that in another. So I always know where everything is. If you have kids, this might be a great way for you to organize some of their stuff as well. So there are a lot of options with these and you can never be too organized. All right, so that is it. I know this is a very random video, but I hope it was just enjoyable to watch. I had fun making it. Make sure to check out some of these videos over here. My channel is full of camp cooking ideas, organization, hiking tips, all that fun stuff to help you enjoy the outdoors even more this summer. And let me know in the comments below which one of these items were you most surprised by. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one.